with great pleasure and a touch of nostalgia that we gathered here today to celebrate this momentous occasion, the pre-departure orientation ceremony for our students who are about to set foot on the fascinating land of Russia.
So the first thing you have to realize that you're joining a profession where even the sky is not the limit for learning. And this is my address to the students only. Can the students please get up for a minute? Please, the students. Yeah. See, all of you are going abroad. It means that you're carrying some responsibilities with you. First and foremost, you must remember that your parents are actually letting you go there. It's not an easy job for parents to send their child. Many of you must not have left your homes, and now you're going abroad. It is not easy for them. They have probably given up several of their dreams, their aspirations, which they had for their own selves, just to finance your dreams. तो जब भी दिमाग में कोई गलत काम करने वाली बात आए ना, तो ये सोच लें कि your parents have put in a lot of sacrifice to send you there so that to achieve your dreams and fulfill your dreams. Now their dreams are your dreams. So please fulfill your dreams. And by doing that, you'll be fulfilling their dreams. So can you put your hands together for your parents for giving me this opportunity to go abroad?
I want to say the big credit to Rus Education, because from the day one you have seen and you was questioning how to do this, how to fill up the forms, how to go about the passport procedure, visa procedure, and etc. So here was Rus Education for you, and it's make your like way much easy in India and in Russia as well.
याद रखना है आज के दिन को, इस मोमेंट को, क्यों आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको रशिया भेजा, रजाई में सोने के लिए या पढ़ाई करने। जब तक आपके दिल में, आपके दिमाग में ये पेरेंट्स के नाम का दिया जलता रहेगा, कोई रशिया क्या, मैं तो कहता हूँ जो FMG एग्जाम जिसको बोलते हैं बहुत मुश्किल है, कुछ नहीं है यार आप लोगों के सामने। इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स अगर अपनी हद पे, अपनी उस पे आ जाए ना, जिद पे, तो कोई पहाड़ नहीं मुश्किल जो चढ़ ना सके, तोड़ ना सके, कोई रास्ता ना बना सके। तो इसलिए हमेशा याद रखिए कि यू आर गोइंग टू रशिया फॉर योर एजुकेशन। क्लास आपको रेगुलर जाना है, ठीक है? क्या हो गया आंटी? ठीक हो? अब आज खुशी का दिन है, आपसे ये अलग जा रहा है अपना फ्यूचर बनाने के लिए। चलो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टैंड। कौन कौन है स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे? सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ अपनी अपनी सीट पे। स्टूडेंट्स, अब पेरेंट्स के लिए एक जोरदार ताली, जितनी जोर से होनी चाहिए उतनी जोर से है नहीं। यस,
It's gonna be a new chapter in your life, and this educational journey will be full of happiness. And of course, as my dear colleagues have already mentioned, of course there will be some not challenges, but some things that seems to be weird and strange for you. For example, food, climate, the way people behave, and yes, 100% you will face with it. But believe me, it's not a problem. Actually, myself, I came to India just in May, and I have never stayed in India for long before, and of course, everything was new for me. Literally, it was like another planet, and probably same thoughts you will have when you will come to Russia, at least first 3 months minimum. But believe me, it will be extremely interesting journey for you.
nothing is more respected than a doctor. At least in our country, there's no other profession gaining as respect as a doctor.
The Rus education is doing a very commendable work that they are providing not only the support in India but also in Russia.
इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट सीट्स बहुत लिमिटेड हैं, मतलब कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है बच्चों का, तो मैंने प्रिपरेशन की थी बट फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी इतने मार्क्स में सीट मिलना मुश्किल है, सो इसलिए मैं रशिया प्रेफर किया मैंने जाना.
The relation between our country, India and Russia has been good, and even they all have the guidelines, NMC guidelines and all, and the pharmaceuticals, the medicines, everything is good there.
I strongly recommend that we should be open to ideas, and especially if, because I'm here in Rus education event, if you have to go for Russian medical, I strongly recommend that if your kid is good, you should send them.
By many metrics we measured and analyzed, and as a result we found out that Russia is one of the best countries to pursue MBBS if you are a medical aspirant from India.